Please follow me.
I'm a proud man, so I have to get this white apron. I want that thing back really, really bad.
Your blade for this round is the mighty filleting knife.
I recognize the knife. I know it's very flexible, and it's the kind of knife that you need to get under the skin and to get under the flesh of the meat.
This time, you'll be crossing swords over this. Sole Meunière, a classic French dish and one of my favorites. A delicate fillet of Dover sole dredged in flour and sautéed in a brown butter sauce with parsley and lemon.
When I see the fish, I slowly die inside. I've never filleted a fish in my entire life.
I have no experience cooking French cuisine, but I'll give it a try. Just don't cut yourself.
Preparing a flawless sole Meunière requires lightning-fast reflexes and a deft touch. It is an unnerving culinary ballet at the best of times. And you'll be doing it with two rivals breathing down your neck. For this challenge, you'll only have 8 minutes.
This is gonna be the hardest and quickest 8 minutes of my entire life.
Wow. I can't get the kids into the van in 8 minutes. I can't feed the chickens in 8 minutes. I just don't know how I'm going to fillet a fish that I've never seen before in 8 minutes.
I don't even know what to say. It's 8 minutes.
If the first one was difficult, this one is impossible.
Are you ready to use your filleting knife to save your skin?
Yes,
Yes,
chef.
chef.
Yes, chef.
Then look sharp, because your time starts now.
Go, 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 go! Come on, guys!
Come on, get in there.
Come on, let's go!
We only have 8 minutes to fillet, pan fry, and present the perfect Meunière-style fillets of a gorgeous sole. Here you have to use a flexible filleting knife. Go down the back spine of that fish, work around the neck, down along the fins, and then slowly peel that white, gorgeous fish off the back of its bone.
Can't get it out.
It has to be impeccable, and there is no time to mess up.
It's not working for me.
This fish is so delicate, I have to get out 2 equally portioned fillets, and I just try to carve out this flesh.
Come on, you fish.
Dover sole is my favorite fish, so I want to get every single morsel of flesh. I don't want any of it stuck to the skin or the bones.
I've never really filleted fish. I tried it once 3 years ago, and I absolutely mangled a rainbow trout. I try to stay as close to the body as possible, but I notice I'm leaving flesh behind.
I can feel the fillet just coming off the bone. It's working perfect.
Tony's a threat for sure. He's been in cooking for so long. He knows his stuff. I think he's done this a few times before.
Never filleted a fish in my whole life. Never. The last time I went fishing with my grandson, we caught a trout, then we had to throw it back because we didn't know how to fillet it. For this challenge, it's happening.
Good job, Tony.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
I can't get the skin off it.
Oh, Jenny's doing the skin the wrong way. That's so much harder.
It's got bones in it. I can't.
I get 2 fillets out, but I can't get the skin off.
I'm trying.
When I go to rip the skin off, the whole white flesh rips in half.
I can't.
Go, 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 don't give up. Just get going.
It's painful to look at Jenny. That fish is being absolutely mutilated.
I ruined my fillet. Now I have to try to get another fillet out. I don't care what it looks like at this point, as long as there's 2 fillets on that plate.
It's gonna be small, but I'm not giving up.
Yeah, dude.
Come on, come on, come on, let's go.
Keep going. Keep going.
4 minutes! You're halfway through this challenge.
4 minutes away.
Jenny seems to be slightly behind Tony, and Rogine is just trailing Jenny.
These fillets are pretty heinous, but I need to take my time because I can make it even worse.
Oh, baby, okay, come on.
I'm most nervous about Tony. He is making a really, really good sole. So I'm thinking I need to beat Jenny.
Keep going, keep going.
3 minutes! Only 3 more minutes left! Get that fish in the pan soon! Tony's got a fish in the pan. Jenny's got her fish on the pan. And Rogine, I think, is just putting it right now.
I have zero experience cooking fish, but I've read a lot about it. I usually spend 2 hours a day studying food, so I'm hoping I can make a Meunière. The Meunière is a French technique. It's brown butter, parsley, and lemon. Just 3 ingredients, very simple, but I just need to get the cook correct. Where is my fillet?
Jenny's actually like cooking it properly.
I put the butter in the pan early because I want it to be brown before I put the fish in. And only a little bit. If you put too much, the fish will be pale.
Regine's got too much butter.
It's not hot enough.
Yeah.
Fish are in the pan, butter is blonde.
Come on, brown. If the butter's not hot enough, it won't brown. You want that butter to turn a nut brown color, which brings out a beautiful nutty flavor.
If I don't brown my butter, it's not really Meunière, it's just a sole with butter on it.
Oh, crap, I made a mistake. Put the lemon in the pan. Then when you put the lemon into the pan, the heat goes down. So now I'm worried.
1 minute. In 1 minute time, I want that fish ready in 1 minute.
1 minute. I'm a little bit anxious because I need to get the fish browned a little bit. It needs maybe 1 more minute. I don't have another minute. I need to leave it in there for as long as I can.
The butter is not browning, and I can't do anything about it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. Fudge!
Good job, you guys.
Dude. Wow, 8 minutes.
Good fight, guys.
Rogine, knife skills, huh?
Yep.
A little lacking when it comes to filleting fish.
And you can see where you struggled trying to get your knife to really carve up against that bone.
One fillet is not too bad. This other fillet is a lot more damage done to removing it. And the parsley is left whole as opposed to chopped.
It's quite pale, but I can tell you one thing. That's cooked perfectly. Maybe it'll taste better than it looks.
That's the dream, chef.
Nicely seasoned, well cooked. I can taste a little bit of that white pepper in the background, and you got just enough of that lemon juice to cut through that butter. It's just the blondness and the butchery work could cost you. Thank you, Rogine.
Thank you, chefs.
Hi, Jenny.
Hi.
What do you think about the filet?
It sucks.
Took the words out of my mouth because I think you got more fish on the carcass than you have on the plate.
Well, on a more positive note, the brown color of that Dover sole is about as perfect as I think you can get.
Jenny, you see the opaqueness right here?
Yep.
That's a good thing.
Oh, good.
Unfortunately, both fillet was so different. And you can see that.
Overcooked.
That's overcooked.
Yeah.
You got good flavors there, but the presentation looks very scrappy. This is a knife fight, and that filleting may cost you.
Thank you, chef.
Tony, you did a good job. You almost took all of the flesh off. A very small amount is left. Are you sure you haven't done this before?
No.
You got 2 pieces that's almost the same size, very good thickness, very nice job.
Thank you. I think I put the lemon a little bit too early.
I think you did.
Yeah.
The color is a little on the light side.
Yeah.
A couple of shades darker would have been right on point.
This one is glistening. This fish is cooked nicely.
There's one misstep in the flavor profile. Needs a little more sauce to coat that fish. The butchery, though, is really where you shine.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. My grandson would be just so impressed with my skills. Maybe they want to go fishing again.
They did a good job, but There was no dish that was complete.
I'm really hoping that what I put out there is enough. You never know in this competition.
Some of them did an amazing job butchering their fish, but failed on the flavor. Others succeeded with the flavor, but failed with the butchery. Almost too close to call.
I'm really freaking out. This feels like deja vu right now. I think I'm going home.
In this round, there was no shortage of pressure, tension, and struggle. The only thing lacking was more time. But we did see a great deal of good effort. Tony, your sole Meunière was the catch of the day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, baby.
This proves that I can be more than just a great Italian cook.